If you're meeting with Egyptians and they invite you to do stuff and they ask you to do stuff with them and you would like to agree or disagree, this video is to tell you how to do that. My name is Abdurrahman. You can call me Abdu. I am your Egyptian friend. And let's not waste your time with long introductions, so let's start right away. Number one, if someone is inviting you to go with them or inviting you to eat something and you want to agree with that, you want to say, yeah, thank you. So yes in Egyptian Arabic means and thanks means shukran. So you say shukran, shukran. So if someone is offering you something to eat, you say shukran. Or if someone is inviting you to go out with them, you say tamam. Tamam means great. So tamam or shukran. Number two, during a discussion or something and someone is saying something that you want to say that he's right, you want to agree with him. So you are right means inta sah, inta sah, inta sah. Number three, if someone is giving you good news and you want to say that, yeah, that's good, that's good. So you say زي الفل, زي الفل. Zay means it's like, and full is a plant in Egypt that is having like a very good smell. So زي الفل, it's like that plant. It means that it's great. And my favorite way of receiving good news is saying مية مية, مية مية. مية مية means 100, 100. It's like 100 over 100. It means full score. Super great. So if someone is giving you good news, like I passed my class, or we got the deal, or we bought a new car, so you say مية مية, like great, مية مية. So if someone did something very well, so for example, one of your friends fixed something very well and it got it to work again. So if he's a man, you say Allah عليك. If he's a woman, you say Allah عليكي, Allah عليكي. Allah is God, and عليك means upon you. The name of the God, when it's associated with someone, it's like kind of a praise for him. So Allah عليك or Allah عليكي means good job. Not literally, of course, but this is what we mean by saying this. Another way of saying good job is to say عاش. Ash. The direct translation for Ash is kind of like long live, but we use it to say good job. Ash, good job. By the way, in the gym, Ash is also said to someone who's doing a very good job in the gym. Like if he's like lifting like heavy weights or something, and during his lifting you say Ash. This is like an encouragement for him, like good job. Number four, if you see something that you like a flower or a beautiful place, and you want to say that this is good, this is beautiful, so you say حلو قوي. حلو means good or beautiful, something around that, and قوي means very. So حلو قوي means very good or so beautiful. حلو قوي. Or you can say جامد جدا. جدا means so or very, and جامد in this situation means good as well. حلو قوي, جامد جدا. Before we go into the second part, let me tell you that in the description box below you'll find a link to a free PDF with all the informal and formal greetings in the Egyptian dialects. So you probably need that as well. Go to the description box, you'll find the link, you can download the free PDF. Now with the second part, how to disagree with someone or something. Number one, if you see something disgusting, like garbage or something that is smelly or something like that, you say ايه القرف ده. ايه القرف ده. It's like, what is that disgusting thing? ايه means what. القرف means the disgusting stuff. ده means this. ايه القرف. And I'm sure that you can sense that this word cannot be used with your manager or with like someone who's having higher authority, or maybe your father or something. This can be used like with friends and with like people that you know. Number two, if someone offers you something to eat or drink but you don't want it, you don't want to take it, so you say شكرا مش عاوز. And it's better if you do a gesture like this. So you say شكرا مش عاوز. شكرا شكرا. شكرا, it means thanks, and مش عاوز, I don't want it. So again, if you want to refuse food or drink, you say shukran مش عاوز. Number three, simply if you want to say no, just no, you say لا, لا. And if someone is nagging you and he kept saying no, 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 and you want to say a final no, you don't say لا, you say لا. So if I ask you to do something and you say لا, and I ask you again, you say لا, and I ask you again and you're fed up, so you say لا with like a frowny face to scare me away. Number four, if someone is giving you bad news and you want to express that you're shocked, it's like you want to say, oh my God. Oh my God in Egyptian, it means ya lahwi, ya lahwi. Number five, if someone is asking you if you're coming with them or not, so you want to say, no, I'm not coming. So you say, لا مش جاي, لا مش جاي. لا means no, مش means like I am not, جاي means coming. لا مش جاي, I'm not coming. And as you can see, this is a direct way to say it. So you can say it to your friends or something, that's fine. What if you want to say it in a more polite way? Like, sorry, I cannot come, let's take a rain check, or let's do it another time. You say, معلش مش هقدر مرة تانية. معلش مش هقدر means sorry I'm not able to do it. معلش means sorry. مش means I'm not. هقدر means like able. So sorry I'm not able to do it. معلش مش هقدر. Another time means مرة تانية. مرة means time. تانية means another. معلش مش هقدر مرة تانية. معلش مش هقدر مرة تانية. That was it. I hope that you learned something today. If you have learned something, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the bell button to receive my next videos. And until the next video, Assalamu alaikum.